guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Yuni and I'm a portrait and fashion photographer based in the Netherlands. You can see my work on the link down below on my Instagram. So on today's video, I would like to share my expertise as a photographer. Hopefully it can inspire you to start photography and your passion. Many of you have asked me about how I started and how I work on my pictures, what kind of gear I use. So I think it's quite interesting to talk about. So first thing first, I would like to share my story as a photographer. I started taking pictures 7 years ago. It was basically out of boredom actually. I didn't really have anything to do and I thought it was a great idea to really work on my photography. I didn't really have any knowledge about how to shoot pictures, how to operate my camera. So I thought it would be really great to really get into this world of photography. I used Nikon D3100 and the kit lens, it was 18 to 55 kit lens. With that kit lens, I couldn't really make the pictures that I wanted. I love pictures that has really interesting shallow depth of field. You can call it bokeh. So then I decided to buy another separate lens, 50mm lens, the prime lens with aperture 1.8. And with this lens, I could create amazing bokeh already. And it is affordable. It is around 135 euros when you buy a new one. But if you want to have a cheaper, you can also get the second hand for 50 to 70 euros. It might be a great option. And then how I edit my pictures. Yeah, there are two options. I use Lightroom and Photoshop. For those who are still starting out, I advise you to just use Lightroom instead because it's very easy to use. It's mainly focusing on the lighting and the contrast and the colors, and you can create amazing tone. It's a preset based program, so you can use Lightroom preset and then just readjust depending on things that you prefer. Whereas Photoshop, it is very intimidating for those of you who are starting out. So I suggest you to just start with Lightroom because it is easier. With Photoshop, it is best to use when you want to retouch pictures, getting rid of objects that you don't want. Yeah, you need time if you want to edit your pictures on Photoshop. For my lighting, I use a reflector. So this stuff is very easy to use. It's also very cheap because around 20 to 50 euros depending how big it is. So I have this medium-sized reflector. It has two colors, golden and silver. It's very portable. You can just bring it anywhere with you to the shoot location. I use this stuff often because I often shoot on natural light and it really helps me a lot. I also have ring light and I use this ring light when I shoot indoors. It is also very cheap and affordable. I get it for 60 euros. With this ring light, you can really create amazing catch light in the model's eyes, and it is very appealing for beauty shoot or portrait shoot. Those are the things that I had when I started out. And you actually don't have to go all out on your budget, spending thousands of euros to buy all these expensive gears, because the most important thing when you started out is not the gear. It is about how you take pictures and how you master all of technical stuff. For me, myself, it really took time for me to really master the ISO, the shutter speed, and the aperture. I remember I freaked out when I made mistake in those three things because the picture turned out really bad. Some of them were overexposed and some of them were underexposed. So knowing how to control those three with the available light, it really helps you out. So on my next video, I would like to explain more about those technical aspects of photography. What is ISO and how you use ISO, and what is aperture and shutter speed, and how those trees connecting to each other. I would also like to tell you more about how my creative process is, from starting the whole theme, mood board, choosing location during the set, how I edit my pictures on my next tutorial on Photoshop and Lightroom, and how to create presets and actions, and how to work on the colors and all the things that you need to make your picture outstanding. So yeah, I think that was it. And if you guys have more to say, write down those things on the comment section below. And also don't forget to click subscribe to see more of my videos. And thank you for watching, and I hope you guys have a beautiful day.